Okay children, welcome back to the online tutor once again, and I hope you all have watched my straight line tutorials, right? So I put 5 tutorials, right? Straight line. So hope you have made some short note including all theorems, right? In grade 12 you have only few theorems, no, right? So today I am going to discuss this trigonometric, another important part. It's sum and difference formulas, right? Sum and difference formulas. So the normally in students and teachers also known this as trigonometric AB formulas, right? Trigonometric A and B formulas, right? So A and B formulas. Actually in trigonometric we have different formulas. You know, we have huge number of formulas, no? So this is A and B. So and we have C and D formulas, right? The C and D inverse formulas. So likewise, so I hope to discuss this all formulas with some examples, right? With some past paper questions, right? So in this tutorial I'm going to discuss in trigonometric sum and difference formulas, right? So we'll see what will be the sum and difference formula, right? In trigonometric we have sum and difference formulas for the sine, cos, tan, all with, right? So here this is sine A plus B, right? Sine A plus B, and it's sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula of sin A plus B. Don't simplify it like sin A plus B. Don't simplify it sin A plus sin B, right? So it's totally incorrect, right? Totally incorrect. So you can't write this like sin, like A plus B, right? Therefore always the equation is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, right? And the other important thing is if it is minus, right? The other important thing is if it is minus, right? Here over here it's minus, then you have to put the minus as well. Okay. Then the other one is cos A plus B. So it will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So what happen if you put minus over here? Then it will be plus. So this is the second equation, cos A plus B and cos A minus B, right? So the next one is tan A plus B. Tan A plus B. So tan A plus B means tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. This is the expansion of tan A plus B. If you put minus over here, right? If you put minus over here, it will be minus and plus, right? So likewise, these are the sum and difference formulas in trigonometric, sine, cos, tan. So actually we are not focusing sec, cosec because it's always the reciprocal of this answer. No, then no need to consider the sec, cosec and cot, right? Okay, so you have to write it down and we'll see what are the questions that we have to discuss with these A and B formulas. Okay, so this is my first example, right? Cos theta plus 45, cos theta plus 45, cos theta plus 45, right? So we have to expand it like cos theta cos 45 minus sin theta sin 45. Cos theta is cos theta, cos 45 is 1 root 2, sin theta 1 over root 2, right? So you can put the answers like this way, or you can take a 1 over root 2 out. In our answer they also taken out the answer, right? Sin theta. This is my cos theta plus 45. So I think you also can expand sin theta plus 45 as like, so the like this way, sin theta plus 45, right? So it will be sin theta cos 45 plus cos theta sin 45, right? So 1 over root 2 is cos 45 sin theta plus 1 over root 2 cos theta, right? So you can pull root 2 out. It will be sin theta plus cos theta, right? So likewise same result with the equation, right? Okay children, let's move to the fourth example, right? Cos A equal 4 over 5, cos B equal 3 over 5, right? 3 over 5. So we just need to find sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. So what is sin A plus B? It is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, no? Right? So cos A means 4 over 5. 4 over 5. So 25 minus 16, it's 9. Then it will be 3. Then sin A, it's 3 over 5. Cos B, it's 3 over 5. Right? So what about cos B? It's 3 over 5. 3 over 5. This is my B angle. Right? So this is 9 and 25. It's again 9, 16. Right? It's 4. Then you can see our sin B will be 4 over 5. Here cos A will be, sin A will be 3 over 5. Right? So here it's 4 over 5 into cos A, 4 over 5. So it's 9 over 25, 16 over 25. The value is 1. So the angle is 1, right? Sin A plus B, the value is 1. So the next one is cos A minus B. Cos A minus B. So it will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is cos A? It's 4 over 5. What is cos B? It's 3 over 5. What is sin A? It's 3 over 5. Sin B, 4 over 5. So you can see these are 25 over 12, again 25 over 12, these two getting cancelled. The answer is C, 0. Okay children, let's move to the next question, question number 5. Okay children, next question, sin 15, right? So how to find sin 15? Actually it's easy, right? Sin 15 means sin 75 minus 45, sin 15 means sin 45 minus 30. So here it's 15, and you can expand it. Sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Sin it's root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 1 over root 2 half. Then 2 root 2 root 3 minus 1. So this is the value of sin 45, right? So we just need to show the cos 75 as the answer, this value, right? So what is the cos 75, right? So you know cos 75 means cos 90 minus 15, no? Right? Cos 90 minus 15 means it's sin 15. So sin 15 means root 3 minus 1 over 2 root 2. So the answer is same for sin 15 as well as cos 75. Okay children, the next example, sin alpha minus beta over sin alpha sin beta. Which should be equal to cot beta minus cot alpha. Right, I am going to start from left hand side. So I am going to start from left hand side. So then it will be sin alpha cos beta cos alpha sin beta over sin alpha sin beta. Right? Then I'm going to divide it by individually. Sin alpha cos beta sin alpha sin beta minus cos alpha sin beta, which is divided by sin alpha sin beta. These are getting cancelled now. Then this is cot beta minus cot alpha. This is my answer of the equation. Okay children, so now you can try 7, 8, 9, 10 all as a homework. Okay children, let's move to the 13th question, right? Tan A equal 4 by 3. 4 by 3. B equal 45 degree. So we just need to find tan A minus B. Tan A minus B. So what is tan A minus B? So you have to expand it. Tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A equal 4 by 3. Tan B means tan 45. So tan 45 means 1. 1 plus again 4 by 3 into 1. 4 by 3 minus 1. 4 by 3 plus 1. Right? So likewise, the answer will be 4 minus 3 over 3. 4 plus 3 over 3. It's 1 over 7. This is the value of tan A minus B. Okay children, the question number 14, right? Okay, then this cot A equal 5 over 7, cot B equal 7 over 5. Find tan A minus B. So this is tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. Right? So here cot A equal 5 over 7 now. Then tan A will be 7 over 5. So tan B will be 5 over 7. So the reciprocal is equal to the cot. The reciprocal of tan is equal to the cot. Right? So then you just need to substitute it. 7 over 5 minus 5 over 7. 1 plus 7 over 5. 5 over 7. It's 2. 49 minus 25 over 35. Divide by 1. Sorry, 1, 1, 2. Divide by 2. Right? Then it will be, so it will be 4, 24 over 70. Okay children, let's move to the 18th question, right? Cos 4 theta cos theta plus sin 4 theta sin theta, it's equal to cos 2 theta cos theta sin 2 theta sin theta, right? So how it be possible, right? So we'll see. Right, so I'm just starting from left hand side. Left hand side, right? So what is this? So what is this? This is equal cos 4 theta minus theta. Cos 4 theta minus, so which is cos 2 3 theta. So what is cos 3 theta, which is 2 theta plus theta. So now we can expand this to take this. This is cos 2 theta cos theta minus sin 2 theta sin theta. So this is the RHS. Okay, children, now I'm going to the next example to question number 21. So here, what happened? So we just need to show this one. So I'm starting from left hand side. So we can move it to the up. Sec alpha going up means it's cos alpha. Sin 2 alpha, cosec alpha going up means it's sin alpha. So what is this? This is the sum of cos 2 alpha plus alpha. So which is cos 3 alpha obviously. So it's proved. Okay children, what do you think about this sum? What can we do? Is it expanding this and this, right? No, this is not. Don't expand tan alpha minus beta, right? So it is wasting your time. So the way is, just assume this as A, this as B. A, B. So what is this? This is left hand side tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay? Then tan A means this is actually A plus B, no? So this is tan alpha minus beta plus beta. These two getting cancelled. So then it's tan alpha RHS. Right? So what I did, I assume this as A and this as B, and AB tan A tan B plus tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is tan A plus B. Obviously this is easy. Okay children, we'll see how to do this one. Tan 2 theta plus 1 should be equal to sec 2 theta. So how to simplify it? I'm starting from again left hand side as usual way. So I'm convert sin 2 theta over cos 2 theta, sin theta over cos theta. So take a common denominator. Cos 2 theta cos theta, sin 2 theta sin theta divided by cos 2 theta cos theta. So what is this? This is the expansion of cos 2 theta minus theta over cos 2 theta cos theta. Right? So this is cos theta which is cancelled with this cos theta. So then it will be 1 over cos 2 theta which is sec 2 theta. So this is my right hand side. So actually obviously it is easy, no? The imagination is the most important thing in mathematics, especially for the trigonometric or the pure mathematics. Let's move to the trigonometric double angle formulas. Right, so double angle means sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. Okay, so what is sin 2 theta? Actually, it can be proved using our AB formulas, right? So this is my sin A plus B, no? Which is sin A cos B cos A sin B. Right, so assume A equal B equal theta. Then it's sin 2 theta equals sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta. So this is 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is the sin 2 theta formula, right? So you have to memorize this. You have to memorize that one. Okay, let's move to the cos 2 theta. So what is cos 2 theta? You know cos A plus B, which is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right? So assume A equal B equal theta. Then cos 2 theta equal cos theta sin theta sin theta. So this is cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos 2 theta. In trigonometric cos 2 theta, we have another 3, right? So this is first equation, right? And after that, I am going to substitute cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. Then cos 2 theta will be 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta, which is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so this is the second formula of cos 2 theta, right? So the same thing for the sine cos 2 theta, right? So here it's 1 minus sin square theta. No, we can pull cos square theta minus sin square theta as, right? Sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is cos 2 theta, right? So actually in trigonometric, cos 2 theta equation has another 3 equations, right? So these are the other 3 formulas. So third equation, second equation, right? Okay children, let's see how to expand tan 2 theta. Right, so find the tan theta. I'm just sub tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Right, so assume AB equal theta, then tan 2 theta will come. It's tan theta, again tan theta, over 1 minus tan theta, tan theta, 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. So this is the equation of tan 2 theta. 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta, right? So here it's square. 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, then let's make a summary of trigonometric double angles formulas. Right, the first thing is sine 2 theta, which is 2 sine theta cos theta. And the next one, cos 2 theta, which has cos square theta minus sine square theta. Or else 2 cos square theta minus 1. Or else 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Right, so these are the equation. So the next one is tan 2 theta, which is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. This is the summary of all double angles formulas in our trigonometry. Okay children, let's move to example. So you have to prove this, right? So I'm just starting from left hand side. So how to simplify it, right? So how to simplify it? It's sine 2a equal 2 sine a cos a over 1 plus. So what is cos 2a? So actually cos 2a has 3 equations, no? Cos 2a has 3 equations. Cos 2a has 3 equations. Cos squared a minus sin squared a. Right? Cos squared a minus 1 with 2. Oh, 1 minus 2 sin squared a. Right? So what is the suitable one for this? Right? It's actually this one. The suitable one is this one. So I'm just putting it like 2 cos squared a minus 1. These two getting cancelled. 2 sin a cos A divided by 2 cos squared A. 2 cancel, 1 sin tan A. This is the left hand side, our question number 1. So it's obviously equal to RHS. Okay children, this is my next sum. 1 minus tan squared 45 minus A over 1 plus tan squared 45 minus A should be equal to sin 2A. So how does it divide it? So again, once again, I am starting from left hand side. So what is this? This is 1 minus sin squared 1 is tan squared 1 is can be written in over cos squared 45 minus A. 1 plus sin squared 45 minus A cos squared 45 minus A. And also we can take a common denominator over here. It will be cos squared 45 minus A sin squared 45 minus A, right, over cos squared 45 minus A divided by again cos squared 45A plus sin squared 45 minus A over again cos squared 45 minus A. These two getting cancelled. Then the remaining one is cos squared 45 minus A sin squared 45 minus A divided by cos squared 45 minus A sin squared 45 minus A. Just assume this as theta, right? So what is this? Yes, positive. Cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is 1. The denominator will be 1. This is cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. It's like cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta means cos 2 times 45 minus A. So it's cos 90 minus 2A. So then it's cos 90 minus 2A means sin 2A. No? This is my right hand side. Okay children, so this is my next sum. Write down sin 2A, cos 2A in terms of tan A, right? So obviously this is comma, right? So this is not a division, right? Comma. So what is tan 2, sin 2? This is sin A cos A, no? Over 1. Okay, so 1 is, what is 1? So 1 is cos squared A plus sin squared A. It's obvious, right? Then I'm going to divide whole thing by cos squared A over cos squared A. If you divide these one, so it will be these two getting cancelled and 2 tan A will be appeared. Over, again if you are dividing this, then it will be 1 plus sin over cos squared, it's tan squared A. This is the equation of sin 2A, right? What is cos 2A? So cos 2A is basically cos squared A minus sin squared A over 1. Alright, so 1 it's cos squared A plus sine squared a. And I'm going to divide it again. So once you divide by numerator, it will be 1 minus tan squared a. Again 1 plus tan squared a. This is my cos 2a. This is the equation of cos 2a in terms of tan a. Okay children, how to solve this? I'm just going to start from left hand side. Alright, so I'm going to multiply the conjugate of the denominator. So this is cos A, this is cos squared A minus sine squared A. So this is cos 2A. So what is this? This is cos squared A plus sine squared A minus 2 sine A cos A. Then it will be, this is 1 minus, this is 2 sine 2A. What is this? This is cos 2A. And we can divide it individually then. 1 over cos 2A sine 2A over cos 2A. This is sec 2A. This is tan 2A. Right hand side. Okay children, let's move with the sum. Right, so how to simplify it? So again I am starting from left hand side. This is cos 3a over cos sine 3a, cos a over sine a. Take a common denominator, then right, so I am taking common denominator and this one going to up. This is sine 3a cos a minus cos 3a sine a minus, and take a common denominator again, then sine 3a sine a over Alright, so what is the denominator? So what is this? What is this? That is that. So it is actually cos 3a cos a over, this is sine 3a minus a. So this is sine 3a sine a over, this is again cos 3, sorry. So what is this, right? So this is actually sine a minus 3a, right? Because it's always sine cos sine, right? So this is cos 3a cos a sin 2a, and also sin 3a sin a over sin minus 2a. So sin minus 2a, which is equal to minus sin 2a, right? So it means this sign is changed to plus and sign is changed. And also what I'm going to do, I'm just expanding my answer into cos 3a cos a over, this is 2 sin a cos a plus actually, right? So actually this is common denominator, no? Cos 3a cos a sin 3a sin a. So this is cos 3a minus a. So this is cos 2a sin 2a, which is cot 2a R8. Yes, right? So in this sum, so we have to do so much, right? So we have to do so much, and so now here we finish this all sums. Today's session, the all sums has been discussed, right? So now I will give you the homework questions. Okay children, this is your homework question, right? So try sin 3a cos 3a tan 3a in terms of respectively only sin a, only cos a, only tan a, right? So thank you very much for being with us, and I will catch you with the second tutorial of the trigonometric, right? So trigonometric, these are trigonometric A and B formulas. So today I developed A and B formulas to the double angles, right? So and I gave you the homeworks to construct sin 3a cos 3a tan 3a in respectively sin a cos a tan a, right? All right, so you can try it as a homework, and thank you very much for being with us. Have a nice day. Bye.